Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your iPad using only a keyboard. First, ensure your iPad is running a recent operating system and that your Bluetooth keyboard is fully charged. Navigate to your iPad settings, then to Bluetooth, and pair your keyboard. Once connected, open the Roblox application. This setup allows for a unique and immersive gaming experience without needing a mouse, relying entirely on tactile keyboard input for all actions and navigation within the game world. With your keyboard connected, movement in Roblox is straightforward. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move your character forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. To make your character jump, simply press the spacebar. For interacting with objects or picking up items, many Roblox games utilize the E or F key. Experiment within different games to confirm the specific interaction key, as it can vary slightly between experiences, providing a consistent control scheme. Controlling the camera without a mouse requires a bit of practice. Many games allow you to adjust your view by holding down a specific key, often the right shift or control key, and then using the W, A, S, D keys for camera rotation. To open the in-game chat, press the Enter key, and to access menus or pause the game, the Escape key is commonly used. Number keys from 1 to 9 are typically assigned to inventory slots or quick actions, offering rapid access to tools. To optimize your keyboard-only Roblox experience, consider customizing keybinds within individual games whenever the option is available. This allows you to tailor controls to your personal preference, enhancing comfort and responsiveness. Begin by playing less demanding games to familiarize yourself with the keyboard layout and controls before diving into fast-paced action. Always keep your iPad's operating system and the Roblox application updated to their latest versions, ensuring the best performance and compatibility for a smooth and enjoyable gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.